Hello, I need a bank account.
Do you live in this city?
Yes, I live and work here.
I need your passport, please.
Here is my green travel passport.
Do you have a local phone?
Yes, my number is 55.
Please sign this white paper form.
I am signing it right now.
Do you want a plastic card?
Yes, I need a debit card.
The card is completely free today.
When will the card be ready?
It is ready right now, sir.
That is very fast bank service.
Here is your new blue card.
How do I put money inside?
You can use the cash machine.
Where is the nearest cash machine?
It is near the front door.
Can I use it right now?
Yes, it is working perfectly well.
Thank you for your great help.
Welcome to our friendly city bank.
Have a very good day, Tom.
Hello, I want to change money.
What currency do you have today?
I have US dollars with me.
What is the total dollar amount?
I have $100 cash.
The exchange rate is very good.
How much will I get back?
You will get exactly 90 euros.
Do you take a bank fee?
No, we have 0 hidden fees.
That is a very fair deal.
Please give me your paper dollars.
Here is the 100 bill.
Let me check it very quickly.
Is the money perfectly fine, sir?
Yes, the bill is totally real.
I need small paper bills, please.
I will give you 10 euro bills.
That is exactly what I need.
Here are your 9 paper bills.
Let me count them very slowly.
Please count them in front me.
The total money is absolutely correct.
Here is your printed paper receipt.
Thank you for the fast exchange. Hello. I need to take money.
Do you have your bank card?
No, I forgot my card today.
I need your passport to help.
Here is my passport and photo.
What is your secret account number?
It is 7890.
How much cash do you need?
I need exactly $50 today.
Let me check your computer balance.
Do I have enough money there?
Yes, your balance is very good.
I want $50 in cash.
Please sign this small withdrawal paper.
I signed my name right here.
How do you want the cash?
Please give me 5 $10 bills.
I am counting the bills now.
The machine counts very fast today.
Here is your $50 cash.
Thank you for the exact money.
Is there anything else I can do?
No, that is all for today.
Keep your cash very safe, sir.
I will put it in my pocket.
Hello, I have a big problem.
How can I help you today?
I lost my blue debit card.
When did you lose the card?
I lost it this early morning.
We must block it right now.
Yes, please block it very fast.
What is your full legal name?
My name is Max Brown, sir.
Your card is completely blocked now.
Is my money safe in bank?
Yes, your money is perfectly safe.
Nobody took my cash from it?
No, your balance is totally full.
I am very happy to hear.
Do you need a new card?
Yes, I need a new one.
The new card costs $5.
I can pay the cash now.
The card will arrive next week.
Will you send it by mail?
Yes, to your home mailbox.
Thank you for protecting my money.
Always call us if you lose it.
I will be much more careful.
Hello. I must send money today.
Where do you want send it?
I am sending money to family.
In what country do they live?
They live in a different country.
How much do you want send?
I will send $200.
Who is the exact money receiver?
My brother is the main receiver.
Please write his name right here.
I wrote his full name down.
Do you have the cash ready?
Yes, here are 2 big bills.
There is a small transfer fee.
How much is the transfer fee?
It is exactly $10 extra.
Here is a $10 bill.
Thank you. I will send it.
When will my brother get it?
He will get it tomorrow morning.
How will he know about it?
We will send him a message.
This is a very fast service.
Here is your yellow transfer paper.
Thank you for your great help.